So the protected waters of the Inside Passage make Ketchikan the perfect place to get up close and personal with the water.
There's a lot to choose from when it comes to boat tours in Ketchikan. From thrill-seeking Zodiacs and hovercrafts to calming kayaks along remote islands. For adventures into the wilderness, you can boat up north to Neets Bay to watch bears during the annual salmon run, depending on the season, of course. You can also head up on a boat to Silver King Lodge, where they have their famous Seafeast. It's a beautiful way to enjoy a great meal while overlooking some of the surrounding waters around Ketchikan. If you're interested in learning more about how that seafood is caught, hop on the Lucian Ballet, a real crabbing boat featured on Deadliest Catch, to learn all about the fishing industry that fuels much of Southeast Alaska and beyond.
So whether you're trying to do a calm, relaxing, self-powered kayak tour, or get behind the wheel of your own Zodiac boat, we can help you look at the options and find a water activity that's best for your group.